Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix lag on stream. If you are playing Rocket League on stream and dealing with lag, stuttering or delayed hits, don't worry. Restart stream and Rocket League. Close Rocket League completely, then exit stream, reopen stream first, then launch the game again. This refresh your connection. In the stream, right click Rocket League, go to the properties, turn system overlay off. The overlay can cause lag and stuttering. In the Rocket League, go to the setting, tap gameplay, then tap match making reason and choose the reason closest to you. Wrong reason increase ping. If possible, use Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi. Wired internet is more stable and greatly reduce lag. In the stream, right click Rocket League, go to the properties, tap install files, then click verify integrity. This fix broken files that cause lag. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.